Antarctic Star 3.2 cubic feet. Refrigerator and freezer combine contemporary style with cutting-edge refrigeration technology. Sleek design suits any household. Compact refrigerator features fridge and freezer compartments. The fridge stores fruits and vegetables, drinks, eggs, and the mini freezer stores ice cream and other treats ready to eat. Stratified storage, health preservation. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Removable shelf. Different ways you want to store with a shelf that is both adjustable and removable. You can put your favorite fruits and vegetables in the basket, which can separate the food. Equipped with vegetable basket and glass shelf. Number 2. Sleek and compact. Space-saving fridge with 19.3 by 17.5 by 31.5 inches and 3.2 cubic feet capacity. Stylish single-door design with classic black, perfect for dorm, office, bedroom, apartment. Number 3. Adjustable thermostat. Our compact refrigerator features an easy-to-use temperature control system that can cool down to -1 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Fahrenheit, 32-50 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature can be adjusted 7 positions from cold to coldest. Number 4. More storage. There is a lot of storage space on the door of this refrigerator. You can put your juice, beer. You can store, refrigerate, and freeze food and beverages anytime. Number 5. Size and capacity. Dimension is 19.3 by 17.5 by 31.5 and 3.2 cubic feet capacity. Sufficient space to store your eggs, vegetables, drinks, fruits, and milk. This fridge is also equipped with an ice cube tray and ice shovel. Number 6. Classic design. This fridge is designed with a sleek black and white exterior that adds a classy touch. It can match any of your furniture. Better for the home, dorm rooms, small office spaces, garages, workshops, and more. Number 7. Multi-function storage. Double door design. Freezer compartment can be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. The door offers a spot for your favorite canned beverages. There are fresh fruits you like to eat in the drawer. Sweet ice cream in the frozen area. Number 8. Removable glass shelf. The glass shelf and drawer separate fruit and vegetable. It can separate your different types of food. A removable slide-out glass shelf provides more ways to organize your storage needs, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.